Welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. Because of that, in this video I can show you how can you unlock your any Motorola smartphone without using Gmail ID account details. Because of that, if you forget your Gmail ID account detail, so you cannot configure your smartphone. So in this video I can show you a very unique service center method. In this method we cannot use any computer and software. After using some service center offline method, we can unlock this. Okay, so let's start the video first. You can see here, this is the latest Motorola Android smartphone, and in this smartphone, the latest version of Android like 15, 16. So first of all, you have to click the language section, and then after you have to select the English United States. Okay, this is very important. So go down to find English and select United States, and you know very well the Google is also from United States, so you have to select the same address. Okay, select this. After that, your smartphone is going to version of USA. After that, you have to open emergency call option here, and then after you have to dial a very unique secret code here, and the code is *#911 21*813*0*#, and you have to call this code. Done. I want to tell you, I have totally 13 years of service center experience, so I am going to tell you the basis of my knowledge, how can you unlock your any Motorola smartphone. Okay, so first of all my friend, you have to click the next button here, and after that you have to remove the SIM tray at this moment. Okay, this is very important. So you have to remove the SIM tray, and then after click escape. Okay, you can see here there are lots of options. So go down and find this Motorola privacy policy option and click here to open this. After that my friend, this page will open. So go to the last option. This is how many I contact Lenovo and Motorola privacy program, and find the second last option, lenovo.com/contact. So you have to select this and wait for a few moments only. After that, this page will open. So you have to select the US version, click accept all cookies, and close this page. Done my friend. Go down and find YouTube section, YouTube icon. Okay, so click here to learn more. You can see here the YouTube application has been opened now. So you have to go to the account section here and click sign in. If you forget, so don't worry, you have to zoom in this page, go down and click help. After that, go down, click set up recovery option, and there are lots of options. Okay, so click add recovery option. You can see here this will redirect to home screen. So again you have to zoom in, click help, go down, click how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Go down, click follow these steps. Okay, click here, but you can see here this page will not working well. So again zoom in, click this time privacy option. So click here and go down, click about this policy, go down, click archived version. So click here, this is the older version, so find the latest version, click the current version, click the take the privacy checkup, and click to sign in to start. Done. go back, go back, go back, go back, go back again, go back, go back, go back, and here you have to go to the three dots, find this setting page, and here click general and select location and change your location again to US, means United States. Find the US option, United States, select and click the done option. Done, my friend. Go back, and again you have to open emergency call option here and type Google account removal code here, and the code is *#0 *97031 ### and call this code and wait for 3 seconds. 2, 3, done. Go back and insert your SIM tray and start your configuration as usual. So click start, click skip, more, accept and continue. And done, my friend. Your Motorola smartphone has been unlocked. Now if you have any queries, comment us your Motorola model name, then after our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock any Motorola smartphone. But don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to learn how can you unlock any Motorola at your home. This is very important. You have to only comment your Motorola model name, then after our team will reach you within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any Motorola smartphone at your home at free of cost. This is very easy method. Click next. You can choose any theme, click the next, and at this moment you have to click a skip, and after that you have to click only finish option and click to go to my home screen, and done. Your Motorola is unlocked now. So you have to open Google Play and you can sign in with the new Gmail ID account detail here. Okay, if you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.